In this question, lines L1, L2, L3 intersect at the same point. If the ratio of y to x is 3 and the ratio of z to x is 5, the question asks for what is the value of y. Now let us to solve this problem. Because L2 and L3 intersect at this point, so this angle and this angle are vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal in measure, so these angles is y degree. Because L1 is a straight line forms a straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree, so x degree plus y degree plus z degree equals to 180 degree. So we have x plus y plus z equals to 180. We are given the ratio of y to x equals to 3. So y equals to 3x. Y equals to 3x. We are given z to x equals to 5. So z equals to 5x. Z equals to 5x. Now we have 3 equations. Name this equation 1. This is our equation 2. And this is our equation 3. We have 3 equations for 3 variables. So we substitute y into equation 1. Substitute equation 3, z into the equation 1. So we get one variable equation. So x plus y is 3x plus z is 5x equals to 180. 1x plus 3x plus 5x equals to 9x equals to 180. So x equals to 20. From equation 2, y equals to 3x. Y equals to 3x, which is 3 times 20. 3 times 20 equals to 60. So the value of y is 60. Thank you for watching.